Welcome to today's session. The topic for today's class is JavaScript control statements. It is used to control the flow of a program based on a specified condition. How we use this: first we specify the condition, and if your condition is true you can perform one action, and if the condition is false you can perform another action. We will see this in detail. So there is the condition which we specify. If it is true, we specify the statement that what should get executed. If the statement is true, if the statement is false, what should get executed, what statement should be there, and then the rest of the code. Now we have different types of conditional statements. First is if statement. In if statement, first we write if keyword, we specify the condition, and if the condition is true, it runs this line of code. And if the condition is false, it comes out of the statement. The second type is if else statement. In if we specify the condition, then we give the lines of code to be executed if it is true. And if it is not true, you specify what should happen, that is in the else statement. In else you specify if the condition is false, what line of code get executed. So here you are specifying the true statement also and false statement also. In if you were just specifying the true statement. Now the third type is if else. First you give the condition. If the condition is true, it gets executed. Then in else if you are specifying another condition. Inside that, if it is true, it gets executed, else the false statement gets executed. So here if you want to check 2 or more conditions, you are going to use this type of conditional statement. We will understand this better when we do the code for this. Let's go to Sublime. So first is if condition. So here I have specified age. So it's going to give a prompt that it's going to give a alert kind of thing to ask the user to enter the age. It is going to take age from the user. Now what condition we have given is if age is greater than equal to 18, then the statement gets printed, you are an adult. If it is less than 18, you are not an adult. You can specify the condition according to your need. I'll run and show you this. Consider I'm entering less than 18. It will say you are not an adult. So it says you are not an adult. I'll specify 21. It says you are an adult. So it's executing the statement according to the condition which we specify. Now let's look at other type, which is if else condition. First in this, 2 things get executed. You are specifying 2 print statements. So I have declared a variable a equal to 20. Now we have given the condition for even or odd number. We are going to check if the number is even or odd. So we have written a module 2 equal to 0. This is the statement which is going to check if the number is even or odd. If the number is equal to 0, then it becomes even. That is the true statement gets executed. Otherwise it is going to display false. That the statement is false, it will print a is an odd number. So 20 is even number. So you can see here a is even number. Now if I change this to 21, it should display a is an odd number. A is odd number. Let's see. It is giving the statement a is odd number. So it depends on what statement or what condition you are giving. Let's look at the if else if. This type of conditional statement is used when you have multiple condition. You can see I have used 3 conditions here. My variable declared is 20. If a equal to 10, then it's going to display this a is equal to 10. If the number is equal to 15, it will display this statement. If the number is equal to 20, it is going to display this statement. And if a is something apart from these 3 numbers, it is going to display a is not equal to 10, 15 or 20. I'll change the variable value and show you. I have taken 21. Sorry, I'll go to this. It says a is not equal to 10, 15 or 20. I'll give this 10. It should display a is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. I'll change the number to, you can either specify the number here or you can also take the number from user like we did in the first program. I'll give 15. So we have checked all the conditions. It should work for all the conditions. Okay, it is working for 15 also. So in if we gave the prompt to check if the user is an adult or not, here we have check the even and odd number. Here we have given the multiple conditions to see how multiple statements work together. Hope all the conditional statements are clear for everyone. Thank you so much.